Gosh, sometimes there's nails and screws, really pokey sticks on the road, and that can really mess up your tires. But FTNA has these hole filling in screws. Uh, so basically, thank you FTNA for sending me this to take a look at. Um, these screws are meant to be inserted and screwed into your tire and to fill in those holes so your tire doesn't go down in pressure and you can keep driving. I don't know if this is a long-term solution. It might be. I haven't seen anything on the product listing about needing to remove them at any point, but maybe ask a mechanic car friend of yours. So as you can see, there's a number of these screws. They're made of rubber. That's one of their selling points, is they're like a very resilient, durable rubber, and they're supposed to be able to screw into your tires and withstand pressure, liquids, a bunch of things. Comes with a little screwdriver. So let's take a look at one of these. So feeling that it looks and even feels kind of metallic, but it's not. Can I try and like bend it? No. So it is a solid rubber. This tip feels more rubbery or towards the end, but we're getting kind of small to the point where, I don't know, maybe it's hard to really give an idea of what it's like. So yeah, so the way you'd use these, I mean, if my hand was a tire and it's rolling and it gets like a nail in it, you would pull the nail out, and then you take this and then screw it into the hole where the hole is, and should hopefully keep it from losing air and pressure and all of that. I don't know what the difference is between the red and the whites. Now that I look at them, I think the whites are a little longer or a little bigger. Let's see. So, okay, yeah, so the whites are a little thicker and covered in some kind of coating, and the reds are a little smaller, and there's also still that coating. So, another thing that they really sell with this is easy and small to just keep in your car. You can throw it in your glove box. What I might do is kind of divvy them up, give some to my family, and so we can have a number in our cars, because there's quite a number of them, and I would hope that I'm not using these consistently to where I need so many in my car. But thank you again to, I'm sorry, FTNA. Didn't want to get the letters wrong, but I think this is an important product. I'll put this in my car, and yeah, pick some up if you're wanting something to try just in case you get stranded from a nail on the road.